Motion Logistics Network is all about getting your business into motion. Founded in May 2014, Motion helps small and medium-sized independent freight forwarders offer tailor-made logistics solutions. With qualified members across the world, we enable our community to serve the needs of their clients. Since the outbreak of the corona pandemic, this is our first live event, and we are joined by an elite group of members.
We have chosen Dubai as the perfect location for this international gathering. Over the next days, we will be experiencing a boutique yet intriguing networking event while indulging in the local culture with an array of social activities. Logistics is personal, and so is Motion. With a new experienced management team in place, we are really looking forward to bring the network towards the next level. Motion is a semi-exclusive boutique network where the members support each other in day-to-day business just like family. As the world pressed the reset button after the pandemic, so do we. So now it is the right time for you to join us.